Hello, my viewers. This is Ethics Institute of East Africa's channel, Ethics of Life. We are glad you join us. This is a channel that discusses matters, ethics, integrity, and leadership. And today, I want to proceed from where we left on ethics, integrity, and trust. And remember, from our previous discussion, we were trying to connect between ethics and trust. And we realized there is a direct connection between ethics and trust. And today we just continue from there to discuss about ethics, integrity, and trust. The purpose for these particular discussions, ladies and gentlemen, is simply to lay an understanding of how you can be able to make ethical decisions in your life, in your business, or even in your own home. Right? And today I want to look at ethical perspectives basing on the theory of utilitarianism, which simply is an ethical theory that determines the right and wrong based on the results or based on the outcomes. Anytime you are making an ethical decision, my viewer, my listener, anytime you are making an ethical decision, a decision that has ethical understanding, consider the consequences of that decision, what we are calling the consequence principle. Consider your ethical decision, what is the impact to the greatest majority. While we are talking about the greatest happiness principle, how good it is to the people, the greater good to the majority is what we are talking here. How suitable is it? How does it bring joy to the people you are leading? How does it bring joy to your family? How does it bring joy to your society? How does it bring joy to the people you are leading if you are a leader? Utilitarian principle, what we call the results principle. So in your decision making, my viewers, consider, put it on a weighing scale and weigh it. Does your decision bring pleasure to the majority? That's what I'm talking about. Does it make people happy? All right? I'm the president, assuming I'm the president of the Republic of Kenya, for example, or the president of the Republic of Uganda, or the president of the Republic of Zambia, or South Africa. If I am making an ethical decision, is that decision, does it bring pleasure to my people? Does it cause pain? What is the extent of the pain that is causing? That's what I'm saying here. What is the impact on individuals that may be complaining, and what is the impact on the masses that may be quiet, not complaining, but they're affected by my decisions? Remember, the insights here, the discussion here is about ethical decision making. And ethical decision making in ethics, certain decisions that you make are based on what drives your passion. What is morally right to you? Not what the regulations or the rules of the game applies or what the law applies, but what your consciousness really feels. That is what I'm talking about here. Ethical decision making. And today we are discussing about ethical perspectives. So I'm bringing you to the core of our discussion, that when you are making an ethical decision, consider what we call in ethics the utilitarian principle. A principle that simply is a theory, it's an ethical theory that focuses or determines the right and wrong based on outcomes. So you look at what is likely to be the outcome of my decision in the process as I make this particular decision. You are a leader of a society, you are a leader in your home, you are a business leader in your organization, you are a leader of a country, you are a cabinet secretary, a principal secretary, whatever position you are holding globally, does that decision you are making, does it meet the utilitarian Okhako-Ethics principle. The consequence of that, is it for the greater good of the majority? Is it causing any pain to the people you are leading? Does it bring any pleasure? Does it cause happiness? And so on and so forth, before you make the decision. And as I said earlier in my previous presentation, consider whether the decision affects you positively or negatively as a leader or as a person. Consider if the decision affects the organization or the institution you are leading, and then consider how the decision affects the people around you, your family members, your friends, your colleagues in the profession, among others. Thank you so much. You have been a wonderful person listening to me and watching me. Let's meet next time as we continue discussing ethics, integrity, and leadership. I've been your host, Joseph Patterson Okhako, your ethics culture coach. You are welcome.